Hello guys, welcome to our channel Software Circle. My name is Manish Kumar, working in a IT company called iCertis. I'm working as the associate software architect. I'm having 11 plus of IT experience working on the Microsoft stack. This is 2021, the first day. Wish you very happy new year. And in my previous video, I showed something about the learning with our new resolution that in 2021 we should learn something and something useful also and uh, free also. So if any fresher or even experienced guy, they they want to learn something and that is they want to have a course, online courses, they can freely do it on this website. But when we say the previous website, that is EDS that I showed you, that is very vast and there are subjects around all the subjects. But when we say that for IT, if you want to learn something, and specifically for Microsoft, what Microsoft offers us for learning, let's get to know. When we even don't know that how many things Microsoft offers. I don't know when you people know or not. There used to be a Microsoft Virtual Academy where you can have a free certificate in the soft code in the soft format, and I mean in the PDF format you can have the certificate once you complete those courses. I did completed few of them from Microsoft Virtual Academy. Now that site is also discontinued by Microsoft. Now Microsoft has launched something new of learning. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. It was the learning. Okay, so Microsoft Learning. What not Microsoft offers? Microsoft offers everything. Let's see. Learning and development services. Microsoft. Okay, this is the first page of Microsoft. Microsoft Learn is where everyone comes to learn. Nice one. Discover new skills, find certifications, and advance your career in minutes with interactive hands-on learning paths. Microsoft employees can find specialized learning resources by signing in. Explore new. Go sorry. I have already signed in here, so this is the first phase of my uh, after my login. So you may say it's in the dashboard. Some items see you for you since your last visit. Azure Fundamentals Part 1. It's a table for concepts, popular learning paths, and modules. Okay, new and recently updated. Use automated machine learning, Azure machine learning resources. Become Microsoft certified. Learn on your own schedule. Watch live and recorded events. Okay, what it offers, you can learn product wise. You can learn roles wise. If you want to go for data scientist, data engineer, or these are what you need to learn. Certifications, want to go for it, learn TV. It also a live broadcast. Okay, go with the .NET first. Free cross-platform open source for .NET. Learn C Sharp. Okay, let's go with it. Learn C Sharp, explore C Sharp collection. Okay, 8 or 50 minutes, 3 learning paths created by Microsoft. Interested in learning a programming language but are not sure where to start? Start here. Learn the basic syntax and thought process required to build simple applications using C Sharp. Take your first step with C Sharp. Okay, add logic to your application with C Sharp. Work with data in C Sharp. It says 0% completed. Let's get to it. Test offer. Okay, it is for beginner, developer, student, .NET. Take your first steps with C Sharp. Okay, let us start. Production. Oh, see, Once I reach to introduction, I can see level 100 out of 799. It decreased. Okay. So this is the introduction. I can say continue. Okay. Exercise hello world. Level 1. Okay. It got to be 200 now. The first sun exercise, we use C sharp to point to print a hello program phrase to the output window. Write your first line of code. First line of code. There is a long-standing tradition among software developers. Just to print. Okay. Says, or I can directly say run. Okay. It got copied here and also then run. Hello world. Nice. Okay. It's good way of learning. Okay, this is the way we could complete the whole course. Okay, if I go this way, then if I say AI engineer, then all right, better go with solution architect. Browse all paths for define the vision and implementation of great technological solutions. You use your technical expertise to create and optimize technologies across an organization, tailoring your solutions to meet developer and business needs. Get the skills to build your career as a successful solutions architect with Microsoft Learn. One thing I really liked about this website is like people don't know what is their career path. They just know that, I mean, many of it doesn't even know that what is their career path. Few knows that what they want to do. They just say that I like what I'm doing or I want to do what they are doing. But they do not know what is subject and what courses or what skills they have to develop. This is the good one. If I want to be a solution architect, I can get to know from here that how many things I have to learn. Okay, what it says, first solution architect. Learn new skills and discover the power of Microsoft products and step-by-step guidance. Start your journey today by exploring our learning paths and modules. Okay, it is already tagged as solution architect. There are 406 results. Okay. When you say you want to be solution architect, there are vast criteria that you have to fulfill. Like you need to know everything, then you can provide the right solution. Azure, so everything about Azure, security also. Let's see more than 3 pages. Okay, go to the previous one. What does it tell me about? Okay. Get certified. Your part to get started, instructor-led courses. Your part to get started, architect modern applications in Azure, architect solutions for Dynamic 365 and Power Platform, build great solutions with Microsoft Azure architecture framework, learning paths, architect migration, business continuity, and disaster recovery in Azure, popular and custom models for solution architect. Okay, when you say solution architect, you have to go develop all the skills, secure Azure storage account. Okay, let's go with it. Okay, 900 XP. Most one. Start. Okay, I received one more 100 XP. Okay, I got 300 now. Introduction, learning objectives. Okay, I can on reading this. I press this. Okay, I'm on the dashboard again. Now, see, whichever I had started, it is there. It's a completion in percentage, 11%, 2%. Okay. Now see, Currently, learn is highlighted. So it is our learning path, or maybe we could say learning section. We also have our docs. Let's see what is there. Documentation, learn clinic course samples, search what was studying and course samples, the whole 4 months of documentation, learning for developers and technology professionals. Microsoft Learn, learn on own skill, become Microsoft certified, watch live and recorded events, services, learn TV. Okay, what is the documentation? Yes. In the book. So we also have a point Q&A. Okay, nice. For samples, those samples, Q&A. Lots of cool features. So guys, what I hey, you can also ask the question. Good, nice. So guys, what I got to know from this learning website from Microsoft is that you can learn every language provided by Microsoft through this website. I believe this will also be one of the credentials that we completed from this website. Nice. And I hope you like. And basically, when I say that if you have to learn Microsoft technology and you want to go to other website, why don't you go on Microsoft learning website itself? And obviously, I'm not promoting it, but I believe this will be the right content. Like we used to have a MSDN library. You get everything on MSDN library, but the other website also it is written in a very simplified way. So obviously, we are free to learn from anywhere. Only constant should be the learning. Okay, thank you. It's not